Hi, I'm Keely.
And I'm Jeannie.
We're from Sew with a Kiss. Today we wanted to tell you a little more about one of the pieces from our new Town Country Crochet Collection. This piece is called Vine. This was a really interesting piece to design. This probably took the most, I think, trial and error on our part. I knew I wanted a top with a cutout at the top. It's designed to wear with like a spaghetti strap type tank. And I ran across this little floral pattern in a very old stitch pattern book. And it didn't help that the pattern was wrong. I'm like, Jeannie, do you think you can make this work? How many times do you think you made this yoke?
Oh my lands, probably close to 50.
It was, yeah. I don't want to scare you off from making the project. We have made it very doable. It was just the design end of it that was probably a nightmare. We had to really, really want this piece. Not only, with the floral pattern, trying to get it figured out from the bad stitch dictionary, but then to do something with it. Not only do we need to make a yoke, we need to make a shaped yoke and make it fit somebody. It's very deceiving because when you finally get the right length, it looks like it, would fit, all of us. It looks huge, but it really is. Once you get it around and on and shaped, you're like, oh, that actually works. So we went through a lot of trial and error process, getting the size right and the shaping right, and it really turned out nice. This is one of the more advanced pieces in our collection, but it's not that advanced. It's not as difficult as we might be leading you to believe at this point. It's just a few rows of the flowers. That always helps when you're not doing like a huge piece with a more complex stitch pattern. We have included really great illustrations showing you exactly where to go. Crochet, as you realize, is more explanatory. It's you kind of need to see where to go on some things. And so we've got that all figured out for you. We also had to throw shaping in there. So that's always a lot of fun. But again, the decreasing on this worked out nice. The decreasing falls much like a raglan and also shapes the neckline beautifully. Once you get the yoke made, it's easy peasy from there. You just pick up along the edge, go along the edge with your crochet, and you go down. And we've used this beautiful front loop single crochet, and it makes such a pretty ridged edge. We absolutely love this piece. It was worth all of the effort, don't you think?
Oh yeah, definitely.
A lot of effort, but we were very, very happy with how it turned out. The yarn that we have chosen for this project is Rowan Cotton Glace. Again, it's a perfect yarn for this project. It's a beautiful mercerized cotton. It has a sheen to it I don't know if you pick it up on camera, but in person, it just is gorgeous. All of the designs from the Town & Country Collection, including Vine, are shown in two different color stories. The first is Chroma, using bright, vivid colors. And then the second color story is nature-inspired, using earth-inspired tones from nature. All of the patterns are available as digital downloads on our website at swagnet.com/crochet, including an ebook or a beautiful printed pattern too.